Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some money selling shoes from home on eBay. So this video is actually going to be a 4-part series about selling shoes, and in today's video we're going to sort all the unlisted shoes that I have here waiting to make me money. So the 4 videos that are going to make up this series are: number 1, which is today, we're going to sort through the death pile of shoes. 2, we're going to clean the shoes. 3, I'm going to show you how I photograph the shoes. And 4, I'll show you how I list and store my shoes. Now, this pile of shoes has been sitting in my death pile for way too long. And the reason why it's been sitting for so long is because I've built it up so that I have so many shoes that it's become an overwhelming task. So because I'm actually quite time poor at the moment, what I'm going to do is break this into chunks. And this is a great idea if you have a task with your business or in your home life. If it's too much to do in one load, break it up into chunks. So today, all I want to do is focus on getting these shoes sorted. Which shoes are ready to list and which shoes are ready to clean. Now, in order to do that, I have to pull all these shoes out, and today is a great time to do that because I've just sold my dining table, which is why it's a bit echoey in here. And I've just sold the table, so I've got heaps of room. So I'm going to lay all these shoes out on my floor and really have a look through them and put them into piles of shoes that are ready to go and shoes that need cleaning. I don't actually even remember all the shoes that I've bought. These shoes in these big boxes behind me have actually come from when I moved house about 3 months ago. Maybe it was 4 months ago. I don't know. That's how long they've been sitting in my death pile. I keep buying new shoes and these ones have just been gathering. It's just dead money. Q4's on its way. This is the perfect time to make money, and there's good money to be made in reselling shoes. There's lots of profit. So let's do it.
Keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
Okay, so there it is, my death pile of shoes. And looking at this, no wonder this has been overwhelming me, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous to have this many pairs of shoes in my death pile. This is absolutely dead money. You know, I will have paid anywhere between probably $5 and $15, maybe even a couple of pairs in here for $20. And that is just dead money that's been sitting in boxes. And, you know, like, oh, I just can't believe it. Like, I'm looking at the brands here. I've got so many pairs of Echo shoes, which sell for such good money. You know, I've got Basque, I've got Melissa, I've got Betts, I've got Adidas, I've got Nikes, I've got Asics, and I've got some beautiful men's dress shoes up the back and beautiful women's shoes over there, and I've got some hiking kind of boots. Like, this is just crazy. The amount of money that is sitting in this pile is insane. So the next step that I have to do now is to sort this into tubs. What items are actually clean enough that they're ready to photograph pretty much by the time I just take the stickers off them and, they're ready to go, and which items are going to need a clean up. So I'm going to get a couple of clear tubs and I'm going to start organizing them into the piles. Okay, so I've got out 4 tubs, 2 on each side, just because there's so many. And I'm going to use the back tubs to put the clean shoes in and the front tubs to put the dirty shoes in. So let's go. So what I've ended up with is 3 tubs of clean shoes and 2 tubs of dirty shoes. Now, in the tubs of clean shoes, there may be a few pairs that just need a slight wipe over as I'm photographing, but nothing that needs any detailed type of cleaning. So I've put them all in those boxes. And these 2 tubs, they do require a little bit more cleaning. They might need a bit of a scrub. There are a couple of pairs that might even need to go into the washing machine. I'll have to have a little bit of a better look at them, but definitely those 2 tubs need some attention before they're photographed. The pair on the floor, they've got a little bit squished in probably by the heavier shoes in here. They just don't look like they're sitting right to me. It's a bit of a shame because they are an expensive brand of shoes, but they do look like they've bent up. So I'm just going to dispose of them rather than getting a return request because, they don't fit properly because they're squished. So stay tuned for video number 2 of this 4-part shoe series where I'm going to show you exactly how I clean all those different types of shoes.